Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, since last week, the Australian dollar has seemed to have hit a brick wall that is around the resistance area that I noted earlier today at 75, 25, 35. And from there, the market is a little bit weaker to the start of the week. Keep an eye on this market as any pullback could find support roughly around 74.80, but a break there would see a further extension and down towards the region around 74.30, and if so, could see mild bullish retraction from there and see a possible bounce. But we are overbought as we are now backing away from that level. So let's see how the market plays into today and see if we do get a further slide. Looking at the euro, the market is a little bit weaker as the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, is close to the 99 handle as it trades around 98.85. In light of the euro, I still feel the downside is exposed to a target of 109.30 and reassess from there. A break, however, would give further indication down to 107.5085. I would like to see both these indicators married up to give that downside call to 107, but in the meantime, we could find somewhat defense around 109.30. The dollar yen still powering higher, and there's no sign at the moment of seeing the brakes being hit after the recent pullback has been totally raised and now looking towards the top side range somewhere around 123.45. So there's still a little bit more upside, but there is a bit of divergence here. The ADX is overheating, so I do expect to see some kind of downturn very soon, but it's very hard to assess while this bull trend continues. Looking at sterling, the market is a little bit weaker to the start of the week and now looking towards the support area around 131.35. That could see a slip to 130.70. However, I'm not going to get too bearish because I still feel this pattern is still somewhat bullish, eventually to rebound and look towards that 133 figure 15 target. Sterling Kiwi still remaining sideways in respect to the level of 188.50, and while intact, could still see a rebound. Now, to the top side, I feel the market still has potential of gaining up towards 190.2580, and even a break there would give further extension of 192 figure 40. Gold a little bit weaker into the start of the week, and at present still looks towards possible downside target around 1,900. But in the meantime, we do need a little bit of confirmation. That is down to 1,946 break, therefore give 1,924 to 26. And wrapping up with oil, the market is also a little bit weaker as the RSI nearly is not too far away from marrying up with the MACD, and therefore could see a pullback to 103 is what the call is for this week due to the recent rejection from that 116 level. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look after the interest report. I hope you enjoyed the great start to the new week.